Devlog 1. What is this app? Who is this guy on your fucking page? So my name is Taj. I'm 22, and honestly, I'm just trying to make some money, trying to make some income online, and I'm creating my first real SaaS business, right? My first real SaaS product. My app is called Tasso, right? That's a SaaS project I want to create, and really, it helps developers, mobile developers, help rank their app on the Apple Play, the App Store, and also the Google Play Store as well, right? So iOS and Android mobile development for ranking their apps and search optimizations. And also with the tools, going to be using AI as well. So AI suggestions and everything like that, kind of have a full-fledged service. And so I mean, if you want to try it out, help me kind of test out at like any features, any bugs that kind of pop up, or just test the app just in general. Please let me know, and I could put you in the testing pool. But yeah, I mean, I'm kind of excited. I already started on some of the core features. I kind of laid out some of the screens. You'll see me kind of working on that, and that's earlier today. So I did all of these things earlier today. And so with this, I'm going to be primarily vibe coding most of it. And so I'm going to try to get this thing launched within a month. So you'll see that journey as well. So I'm along this journey, it's gonna be past. It's gonna be marketing afterwards. Me actually launching it is gonna be marketing it, showing what I'm actually gonna be doing to make sure that to kind of capture my first users and get that first Stripe payment, because I need that money, man. I need that money, man. But yeah, so it should be fun. Should be exciting, and I hope y'all enjoy the journey. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. About 4 a.m. in the morning. Mind the wall. That's just my vision board up there. A little corny, a little basic. I need to update some of the stuff, but yeah. Anyways, we're back. This is the second day of the first devlog. Saw me probably use some unstable ass gimbal. I just changed out the gimbal and used my old school one. But yeah, I just kind of want to talk about what I'm actually doing now. Let me put y'all down. So we created a landing page. I'm going to kind of go through it. So we created a landing page, and then the sign in, sign up page, and then now what's next. So um, I was kind of trying to figure out how I'm actually going to make this app work, right? And so with this app, we're going to be gathering data from the app stores, right? And um, the app store, the iOS app store, they have a you're able to connect into and gather some data for spy tools, but you need to get a developer account to, at least for me, for the developer, I need to be able to test some endpoints. But I found this API. Uh, I forgot what it was called, but you're able to actually get the data. Um, you're able to get the data without having a developer account. So I was thinking about doing that, but at the same time, I'm trying to keep it as lean as possible. But I think it'd be better just to go as fast as possible. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's just something I have to think about. You know what I'm saying? And this is my real hurdle. Um, cause I knew going into this that you could do spy tools, whatever, but I just didn't know how. But remember, I just got this idea one day and said, "Fuck it, I'm gonna build." So I'm literally running into these issues while I'm building. You know what I'm saying? I'm not the most like, you know what I'm saying, like the most like top senior engineer. So, but yeah, so I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the API route. But other than that, take a look at the app. So this landing page looked nice. I low-key stripped it from our competitor. But my shit look better. This I'm gonna be putting our um this is gonna be changed. This is the version 1. This is kind of like a placeholder. How's probably gonna look. Placeholder as well, but this is how it's gonna look. But just change up the just changing up these sections here, and then got the pricing models, and then little pricing section. We got the sign up option or the sign up page. It looks nice. And then we're going to have a log, and this is the login page. So I'm probably gonna keep it like this. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna keep it like this for a while. And yeah, I created the database. It's pretty basic. And yeah, that's about it. That's really all day 2. So tomorrow I'm probably going to. I don't think I did any coding today. I just started working on some videos on my TikTok and YouTube. So go check those out. So I didn't do any coding today, but tomorrow is when I'm kind of work on the flow of it. Whether I'm tomorrow's when I'm going to be kind of going in on, hey, whether or not I should actually pay for the API or not. I'm going to make my final decision when I wake up. And then whatever decision I do, I'm gonna just that's gonna be me hooking it up. And tomorrow also I gotta do uh, the login feature, actually like getting them into the login page. Actually logging in a user, signing up a user, and then you know what I'm saying, and them going into the actual main page. But yeah, so like every single week, I want to try to get a major piece of the puzzle done. So I got all these different issues I got to work on, and then you'll see week 1. I got to get all this done here. It doesn't look like a lot, but in a few of these, there's going to be some sub issues I got to work on. If y'all fuck with the audio, you know what I'm saying. I put on the lab mic. You feel me? Got it from TikTok. But if it's not good, yeah, it's a $5 mic. I got it from TikTok. But yeah, that's about it for this section. I'm sorry, I'm rambling, but here's something that I just remembered. I was doing some Uber Eats. I was thinking about how I was gonna do it. I have an idea in my mind. I can't really explain to y'all, but in the previous video, in the previous clip you just saw, I was talking about I'm just gonna do the API and just do it fast. But the thing is, if I do that, I can't do this. I can't make if I would build out my own API for doing spy tools and everything, I could actually sell that as a product. You know what I'm saying? So if I build out that API, I could then use that for my product, right? And also I could sell that to other people. It's a 2 for 1. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, damn. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, Or what I could do, well, because here's the thing: if I do the API, right? If I pay for the API, right, get the app finished, and then build my own API layer, and then sell that, and then put that API layer into my app. That's one solution, right? But then another solution is like, okay, the development's going to take longer of Tasso, but once it's done, I'm gonna have my own. I'm gonna have another API, or I'm gonna have another product as well, like a launch, right? You know what I'm saying it's like a 2 for 1. It's like a 2 for 1. Dude, I don't know, and this is what kind of, you know what I'm saying. But it's like I want to get Tasso out. I didn't go into this thinking, oh, I can sell an API. So it's like, damn. You know what I mean? So you know what? Actually, so I'm probably gonna do as much as I can without without adding in the API. I'm gonna add it in later. I'm gonna do as much as I can without the API because once I get the API, I want to test as much as possible before within the 7 day free trial to see if it's even needed. Or no. So I could just launch it and then after I launch it, then I'm gonna try to get as much users as possible. So you know what I'm saying, so I can start getting money. And I'm hoping, you know what I'm saying, the bills not that much. Keep the bug. I'm hoping the bills not that much. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of get this clip out. But yeah, that's about it.